APG is a company that looks to provide good quality and competitive components for their customers.
We support various different industries across all of APG, from medical to firearms, defense, automotive, industrial and agriculture, but quite a variety. We have a broad history of conventional powder metallurgy, lots of experience in that realm, and powder metallurgy is the core of all of our different facilities, whether it be conventional powder metal, press and sinter, to metal injection molding, to binder jet metal additive. They all have powder metallurgy at their core, so we really have a lot of leverage from that aspect of our years of experience.
APG continues to focus on emerging technologies. It's more evident than the investments we've made in the last couple of years in our additive equipment, and we continue to try and bring additive manufacturing to the forefront of our customers by educating them and letting them understand what the process is capable of.
There's a significant amount of growth that can be had with additive manufacturing, but there's going to be some challenges ahead, and it really requires the input of all three parties involved, whether it be OEMs that are designing and manufacturing the equipment used in additive, the parts producers like ourselves at APG that are manufacturing mass volume production parts, and then the customer is the third leg to that stool. So we need all three parties to really have their input to ensure that we set this technology up for success, and based on the history we have and experiences we have in certifying and verifying different technologies in specific markets.
I think the thing that's most interesting to me about additive manufacturing is the ability to design complex parts, the ability to take parts from print, debind and sinter, and have them available in your hands in a matter of a few weeks. We have a variety of parts that we've been working on over our last year and a half of additive manufacturing. Unfortunately, most of those can't be shared, but one of the ones we can share is this turbine vane pump that we've printed and sintered. It has intricate veins in that just not achievable through other manufacturing processes.
We got an exciting future at APG Additive. We invested early on in the binder jet technology in 2018, and we were a beta user for one of our partner OEMs, and we've had a tremendous amount of success with that technology, and now we're starting to branch that into other various additive technologies. But conceptualizing the future for APG and additive, it really holds a large majority of our portfolio, and we have a very broad portfolio of manufacturing technologies, but we have a tremendous amount of faith in this technology, especially when people like APG are standing behind it and industrializing it with our partner OEMs and our customers.
I think the future is bright for APG Additive. We continue to invest, and we continue to try and find the resources in people and equipment that we need to help push the boundaries of what the process is capable of.
What I can say with a great deal of confidence is that additive is here to stay. I love the road that we're on right now. We're really setting ourselves apart to cover all bases of different technology, whether it be the traditional sense of press and sinter powder metallurgy and covering all of the long-standing manufacturing methods, but we're also pushing industries forward with the new innovative 3D printing technologies, metal injection molding, ways that we're able to add value to our customers across a broad, diverse range of technologies. Metal injection molding is very well suited for small, intricate geometries that would be very challenging in other manufacturing technologies. It really lent its value to the dental market early on in the 1980s because of that, the intricate, fine features that you could think of in a dental bracket. Since then, the firearm market has really taken to the technology and embraced it, but moving past that, industrial applications, automotive applications, anyone that requires some tightly tolerance, very repeatable, small, intricate geometries would gain some perspective by looking into the MIM technology. Our MIM technology has created some very interesting parts. One that sticks out to my mind was used in a surgical application, but it had a specific material compensation that gave a specific magnetic response, where they actually would turn the jaws loose within the body and then navigate them with a magnetic component outside the body and take it over to do the work inside. Pretty interesting application and use for a MIM component. When I look out across all of our customers, it becomes immediately apparent that what they're looking for is two things. One, a company that has the technical expertise of a very large organization from an equipment and an engineering perspective that leads your capabilities. But they also want to know that they're working with someone that has their back and is a family-owned and operated type of organization. Customers want to know they're going with a stable partner. Our roots tie back to 1967 with Alpha Precision Group, and even further with our parent company. We have a broad range of experience in the technologies we serve, and we're happy to support our customers.
When you work with APG, you gain a partner that you can collaborate with throughout the entire process.
So the best way to get a hold of us is really by going out to our website. There's some contact us pages on there, but you can learn a little bit more about APG and the different facilities and technologies that we offer.